Hi, I'm Jeff Williams, owner of Armor Insurance Agency in Miles City, Montana, and here we are doing another Tuesday's Tips. Most everybody knows that Montana requires a minimum level of liability insurance in order to be able to drive legally on the road. Do you know what those limits are? And if you don't, well, do you want to? Because if you do, this is the video for you. Montana law requires drivers to have a minimum level of financial responsibility, and those minimum levels of financial responsibility are $25,000 per person for bodily injury or death, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury or death, and $20,000 of property damage. These limits are designed to show a basic level of financial responsibility should you be the one responsible for an accident. You could consider those minimum limits as a starting level of protection so that the individuals who were injured in an accident that they were not responsible for can receive some basic level of reimbursement or compensation for their loss or their property damage. Here's what those numbers really mean. The $25,000 per person means that's the maximum your policy will pay out for all injuries sustained to one single individual. So $25,000 might pay for an ambulance ride to the emergency room and maybe the emergency room visit, but if they're severely injured and they needed to go to the ICU or be flown to Billings, that $25,000 doesn't go far. And the same concept with the $50,000 for bodily injury or death per accident. Well, if there were 3 people that were seriously injured, that $50,000 does not go far. The property damage of $20,000, well, if someone's brand new 3500 is totaled, well, that $20,000 isn't going to touch the cost of that. The state minimum limits may make you legal on the road, but they are likely going to be insufficient for a serious accident. So if you're not sure whether you have adequate limits, give me a call. You can reach me at 406-416-1096. Thanks for watching.